As a Filipino mother, raising a child in another country can be quite confusing. Kay, maglibog ka kung unsay angay itudlo nga animal sounds sa imong anak. Kana bang mga sounds nga ilang ipangtudlo sa mga libro, sa television shows, or sa mga eskwelahan dinhi, or kanang mga sounds nga imong naandan sa imuhang pagdako. As an example, what's the sound of the dog? Woof! 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 The name of the dog is Spot. What's the sound of the dog? Ow! 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 And the name of the dog is Brownie. The book says the sound of the rooster is cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. But the sound of the rooster is Dede again. How about this? What's the sound of the frog? Ribbit. 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 What's the sound of the frog? Kokak. 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 Theo, what's the sound of the horse? It's neigh, neigh, neigh. What's the sound of the horse? It's yeah, tigidig, 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 yeah, tigidig, tigidig, yeah, tigidig, 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 yeah, tigidig, tigidig.